Hello everybody and welcome to Morzak EV, a channel dedicated to all things electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging and all related technologies. In this video I just wanted to do a quick announcement which is really good news for the industry and for customers who are looking to make their homes more sustainable and greener, and that is that from the 1st of February 2024 battery only installations will be VAT free. So as I talked about in previous videos, currently if you install a solar system you get your 20% VAT, which is on all items in the UK. That tax is removed completely, it's zero rated. And if you install a battery alongside that PV system, then that is also zero rated. But if you installed a battery system on its own, that might be in various scenarios. It might be somebody's got a home that can't have a solar install, or you might already have a PV system installed. Maybe you had it done years ago when the FIT tariffs were around. If you have a battery system installed and don't have any solar panels installed, then currently that attracts 20% VAT. So basically it increases the cost of the installation and the items by 20%. As of the 1st of February 2024, that's been removed. So if you have a Tesla Powerwall installed, for example, then you would have the 20% VAT removed. So we offer a bunch of different battery only installations. This one here is a Give Energy system. We are now Tesla approved as well, so we can install Tesla Powerwalls. And then, you know, there's a whole bunch of other manufacturers. The My Energy Libby can be installed as a hybrid inverter. It can be installed with or without solar PV, so that can be done as a battery only installation. Give Energy offer an all-in-one, which is very similar to the Tesla Powerwall as well. And then you've got all your Solax and your Solace, Solar Edge, and all those other wonderful companies who are offering battery only options as well as hybrid inverters and solar PV inverters. So I think that's really positive news. If you've been sort of considering getting a battery but have, you know, maybe been put off by the cost or waiting to see what happens, I think from the 1st of February onwards, those installations, it's really going to be worthwhile you invest in, because that 20%, it makes a hell of a difference. So for example, an installation that was originally going to be £5,000 plus VAT, that would cost you as a homeowner £6,000. That is now going to be £5,000, so £1,000 less. So the savings are very significant, and I don't see battery technology getting much cheaper anywhere in the near future. I don't see any products getting cheaper in the near future the way things are working at the moment, but that's another topic. So yeah, if you are thinking about getting a battery installation, give us a call. We can sort you out with a quote, especially if you're in the sort of Greater Midlands region. We cover the whole area. So yeah, I hope that was useful. If it was, give us a cheeky thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe for further news and information on all our videos and different technologies, EVs, EV charge points. If you are thinking of signing up with Octopus as well, Octopus offers some innovative tariffs that can be used with your solar PV and battery installations. If you sign up with Octopus, sign up using our sign up link and you can get £50 credit on your Octopus account when you sign up. We would get £50 credit as well, so it's a win-win situation for everybody. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time.